Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. Today, we have three slight risks of severe weather across the U.S. One across portions of the northern and central plains, another across portions of southeast Colorado, southwest Kansas, and the Oklahoma Panhandle, and another across portions of the Tennessee Valley, with larger areas of marginal risks surrounding that in the dark green areas, including in the southeast. Looking at today's tornado threat, there's a 2% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a given location in the two green shade areas today. So tornadoes are not going to be a big threat, but expect maybe one or two isolated tornadoes if you live in the green shaded areas today. Damaging winds will be a little bit higher of a threat. We have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of location in the two yellow shaded areas today, 5% chance in the three brown shaded areas. And looking at the hail, we have a 15% chance of quarter size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the two yellow shaded areas, 5% chance in the three brown shaded areas, and across portions of South Dakota and Nebraska, we have the possibility of seeing some large to giant hail of hen egg size or 2-inch in diameter or larger within 25 miles of a location today. So make sure you really pay attention for very large hail if you live in the Black Hatched area today. Now, timing out the storms across the Tennessee Valley, around noon today, we're going to have the remnants of an MCS from last night start to fire up some new storms across portions of Missouri, Arkansas, and then these are going to move east between 1 and 4 p.m. We're going to see some more development across portions of Indiana, southern Illinois, western Kentucky, as well as portions of western Tennessee, maybe northwest Mississippi by about 3 o'clock this afternoon. And going into 4, 5, and 6, we could be seeing some scattered damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado across portions of western Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky. This will go into the evening between about 6 and 9 p.m. Isolated scattered damaging winds and tornadoes will push across central portions of Tennessee and Kentucky and towards the late evening around 10 p.m. Central Time. Storms should weaken below severe limits. We could still see some isolated damaging wind gusts. Now, timing out the storms across the plains. Starting around noon Central Time, we're only going to be seeing some scattered showers across portions of South Dakota and Nebraska. And as we head into the afternoon, we're going to start to see some severe storms possibly develop across eastern Montana and northeastern Wyoming. Some isolated non-severe showers across portions of Colorado as well. And going into the afternoon between 4 and 7 p.m., that's when the severe storms will begin to move into the slight risk across South Dakota and Nebraska. And we could see one or two giant supercells producing gorilla hail this afternoon. As indicated by the HRRR model, we have this huge supercell that moves across portions of Nebraska and South Dakota between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m., in addition to other scattered severe storms which could be producing damaging winds and large hail as well. So the severe threat is a little bit higher, I believe, across portions of the north central plains today. And by the time we head into the overnight, storms will push further south into portions of Oklahoma. Now, anyway, thanks for watching today's severe weather update. Make sure you prepare for severe weather if you live in the shaded areas today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.